Greetings everyone and welcome. This is Neo and you are watching FinTech. If you enjoy our content, please do not forget to leave a like. You can subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be informed about our later videos. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment down below. Before we start our video, let's hear our legal disclaimer. None of the information given in this video should be taken as financial advice. Please make your investments according to your own research. Yes, I know, I talked about Cold Wallet not so long ago really, but the platform has been doing very well. And that's why I wanted to bring the platform to you again. If you look at the dashboard, you can see that they have sold $6.69 million of token already. That means they got a lot of investment from the get-go. And this is the stage 17th of the project. And the token price is still quite low, 0.00998. And of course, with every stage, the token price will get higher. What I also appreciate about this platform is that they are already on Google Play and iOS Store. And with that, there are some new things going on in the project which I want to talk about in this video. Let's remember what Cold Wallet is all about before we get started with the updates. So, Cold Wallet is a crypto wallet that doesn't just store your assets, but actively rewards you for using them. So basically, every action in crypto, swaps, bridges, gas payments, could earn you new rewards, and this actually flips the old model of fees where they are purely costs, but now they become rewards for you. And this pre-sale of CWT token is basically setting you up for the future of crypto rewards. If you take a look at their Twitter account, you can see that the team quickly turned their attention to community engagement and gamification, which is really important at these early stages. And on 18th and 19th of August, they announced Cold Wallet Ranks, which is a gamified leaderboard system that gives holders status based on their CWT holdings. These ranks, Cold Start, Icebreaker, Glacier, Crystal Vault, North Star, are more than just names. They create proof of commitment for you, visibility in the community, and they unlock long-term perks. And this leaderboard actually officially went live on the 20th of August, transforming passive holding into a competitive, engaging, and status-driven experience. And what I also like is that the community growth was further fueled by referral rewards. And bringing friends into the pre-sale benefits both parties. That's how I like the referral system. 10% bonus for the friends and 20% bonus for you. And with these kinds of rewards, they prove that they are a reward-based ecosystem, and they will be a reward-based ecosystem always. And these kinds of incentives for early adoption is very important, and you can see that their presale has been doing real well thanks to such updates. So you can find my referral link down in the descriptions of this video, and you can copy your referral link from your dashboard and share it with friends, family, or on social media. And as I was saying, Cold Wallet's messaging consistently reinforced financial incentives alongside utility. If you look at their Twitter account, for example, you can see that they highlighted that every purchase drives the price up, emphasizing scarcity and the advantage of acting early. And I also appreciate that they also reminded the community to stay vigilant against fake accounts, reinforcing trust and transparency. And at 26th of August, the team clearly stated that Cold Wallets will never direct message or offer private deals, establishing a high security first culture crucial to building a lasting and secure crypto community. So, to summarize, every transaction, swaps, bridges, or gas payments earns CWT rewards in the wallet. And there's a leaderboard system that turns holding into special and social proof and status. And pre-sale stages are really important to get CWT token early on so that in the ecosystem you will already have a place. And the fact that referral rewards give you 20% and 10% for the friends is really great and very good to use for the long term and for the short term as well. So together, all of these elements create a cohesive ecosystem. So this is a wallet that's secure, non-custodial, and multi-chain, paired with a utility token that drives engagement, gamification, and early backer incentives. So this works like that. Early adopters buy CWT token. This increases token value, you can climb ranks and earn rewards. And referrals bring more users, more stacking, higher leaderboard positions, and more perks for the users. And then transactions in the wallet generate cashback, continuous utility, and reinforce engagement. Also, the fact that the app is already live on Google Play Store and App Store is really great. If you want to dive deeper in the roadmap and other things about a platform, you can check my first video on Cold Wallet, or you can go to their website and read it for yourself. With maximized earnings, total control, effortless experience, and instant access, they are a new breed of crypto wallet, and I think you will like what you see. All the links will be down in the descriptions of this video. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching FinTech. Until next time.